to keep the idea rolling on, what we thought about last month was show and tell. Now I do have a patch.
Yeah.
This is my patch. This is my district patch. I'll try to get the best light I can on it. I see the bear. Yeah, Narcoossee district.
Special.
And the thing that makes it so special to me is that when I went to the national thing, they actually gave me a pin that fits right over the fleur-de-lis. So I thought that was kind of special. And I wear that, whenever I'm doing stuff. So that's kind of my show and tell. I put that on the uniform when I do Eagle Boards review and things like that officially for our district. So that's kind of my show and tell. Matthew, you had something. I think you had a thing you wanted to show and tell our audience about it.
Oh yeah, I had quite a few things. Because when we were talking about this, I like I said, I was going to invite my was it Roundtable Cub Scout commissioner, because she's the one who comes up with all of like these things, but she was very much busy today with the blue and gold, so I didn't want to overwhelm her with that. So the things that I have, and oh man, I didn't grab it from my other backpack, was I like to collect the different shoulder, like council shoulder patches and stuff like that. Yeah. From the areas, and I just got one for Mount Vernon. If you guys don't know, Mount Vernon is George Washington's mansion. It's where he lived during the Revolutionary War. It's actually where his tomb is at too. And like we do have scouts that go there and they place the wreath at the general's tomb and all that. And I got one for there, but I got a couple for like the different services and things here. Like this is the shoulder patch right there for the Air Force Memorial that's out there.
Yeah.
And of course I had to get the matching away flap to go with it.
Got to do that.
And I've got, and I got the Marine Corps ones over here. And then the different flaps for, I also got the Virginia one, but I didn't bring it down here for like the Virgin Islands and Washington, D.C. Because the National Capital Area Council also covers the Virgin Islands too. So last summer when I went out there, I actually took this patch. And I have a video of me like holding it, or pictures of me holding it out there actually in the Virgin Islands. So
neat.
Yeah.
It's one of those things that I remember seeing a DC district. I believe it was a district council strip that had the cherry blossoms, the pink blossoms on the trees. And I think it was the Jefferson Memorial. In the background.
If you stand by 1 second,
that's one of my favorites. I mean, it is really nice and it's well done. So many districts and so many councils, for that matter, they just don't take the effort to make those. So they have them out there. There's some pretty right ones.
So that's the standard. That's the standard Capital Area Council, or National Capital Area Council. So all the different ones. Yeah. And then you got VI right there for Virgin Islands, and then VA for Virginia. So all the different places that are down here. Nice. And the cherry blossoms, I tried to do a video last month during the cherry blossoms where like I tore it off my shoulder and tapped the screen, and then I'm standing there with the Jefferson Memorial and the blossoms. But work schedule, I couldn't go the weekend that I wanted to, so I had to go to the next weekend. And the weekend before was beautiful, perfect weather, everything. And the weekend that I went, it was windy, so it ripped all the cherry blossoms, because it's just like they're only on there for like a few days. Like you have to get it at the peak time. So I missed out on that. I never posted that because I was like, it just looked dreary and the water was choppy. It didn't look good, but like,
there's a bunch of flower petals in it.
Exactly. Exactly. So
that's how that goes. Oh, Bucky, do you have some show and tell patch or thing?
I confess, I forgot my homework assignment. If you didn't notice, I'm
do so much. Come on, yeah, that would be easy to forget. So okay,
like, don't worry, Bucky, I got you covered. Hold on a second.
Yeah, really.
All right.
Here we go.
Oh, patch collectors.
There we go. Got quite a few.
Yeah, I do have one patch shot I was given at a meeting that happened last weekend. In our council, we have these summits where we all get together and do these things. And I noticed that this was put on the national guy, because you'd always tell the national guys is that the gold tabs, put it on me. I was giving a talk there, and he put it on me, and I didn't take a look at it until just now, because it was the other badge. It's the National Jamboree BSA Alumni Ambassador. I don't know if you've ever seen these, but that's the ambassador. Now I'm an ambassador. Maybe I can get us in the gate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe.
Dan's back in the Ford.
That and a few $1,000s. So,
yeah, them plane tickets.
Yeah, you got to buy the tickets. Yeah, that's from 2023. So I don't know. Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, I've got patches, just not here, and I don't care to get up and go get them because
that's okay. That's okay. I
don't worry. I got plenty for you right here.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
I got a gift for Matthew and Brian and even Mike. I lost my Woggle when I was at. It sounds pretty sad. I lost my Woggle, my nice leather one, and I put on a one that I just put together with some rope I had. So I'm going to be sending you guys these Woggles.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
So I'm sending you the white Woggles. So I got a whole bag of them.
I think that's why I haven't been asked to be on Woodbad staff again, because I could never.
You can't do the Woggle.
No, I can't. I always found a way to fake it.
Yeah, I once told the troop that if they got the patrol award, the little star, that I would make them all gold colored Woggles. And I actually went out and got that. So I started making those like crazy, because they had like 30 kids, 3 different patrols. So I was under the gun to make them. So I can do them in my sleep. It's not hard for me to tie those. So I whipped these together. This was from some packing rope that we got at U-Haul, I think.
Okay.
But it's a nice shiny white Woggle. So I'm going to send that to you guys. You're all going to enjoy those.